Hello there. My name is Austin. Welcome to my garage. A couple months ago, me and my wife bought a house with this, to me, it's pretty big garage. I call it a shop. But yeah, it's a great place to keep all these bikes. And today, I'm here to give you guys a tour. But before we get into that, I want to show you where I came from. Originally, I kept all of this, most of it, in a couple of sheds at my parents' place. And I took a video of moving all of it out. So let's get into it. Now, at this point, I had been working on my bikes out of the shed for years. And really, I was really thankful for it. It was big enough for what I needed, kind of. And, it gave me a place to work on my bikes out of the rain. And it was nice. I was super thankful for my parents to, give me the space to be able to work on my machines and put up with all my loud noise and, loud music out in the shop for years. But I'm so thankful to have some extra space now. You can see it's pretty packed in here. All the bikes and tools and workbenches, parts, motors, all my trophies up here on the ceiling. It was a really nice thing. I had all my flags on the wall and had my little lights and plugs. And like I said, it was just a really nice spot to have right in the backyard. But the downside is this door.
Does he know about the DORE?
Huh?
The door?
The door is meant for like a lawnmower to go through, not a 1985 ATC 250R. But, made it work. Enough said. Let's get to it. We got to take the machines out, take the tools out, all the parts and pieces, all my trophies, get it all moved over to the new spot. Buddy of mine let me borrow his huge flatbed trailer, which at the time I totally thought I could pull behind my Tacoma. Let me tell you, Tacoma doesn't do great towing stuff, but it does good at some things, just not towing. And boom, just like that, we're back in the permanent shop, the garage, Austin ATV's garage. Now, there's some exciting bikes in here. We'll get to that in a minute. But for now, I want to show you the shop itself. Keep in mind, it's a work in progress. I just moved in here and I've never organized a garage before, but I got a lot of ideas. So just bear that in mind. It's a mess. I know. But you guys asked for this. I asked you on Instagram, do you want me to do a video about moving to the garage? You said yes. So it's your fault. It's going to be good. May not be good now. I mean, it's pretty good right now. But I'm working on it. It's getting better. Let's just show you. Let's just show you. So, start from the front. Cooler in the corner. Custom shelf for the camping stuff. We got the fridge, shop fridge. All kinds of stuff. Side door, shelving, workbench. This place has its own electrical power, which is sweet. All my stuff just crammed in there. You know the deal. But this right here, that, ladies and gentlemen, means I get to be warm in the wintertime. That there's a wood stove. No more freezing my butt off in the wintertime. The downside is no AC. But, I got a shop. Who am I to complain about being a little hot? All right. Yeah. Do you want to see the bikes? I bet you're. This is the only reason you clicked. You just wanted to see the bikes. The classic, the ultimate wife's bike. This clean 04 400EX. The king of three wheelers right here. Banshee Killer, whatever you want to call it. High Joe 450, 250R. The old reliable 200X. Not too reliable right now. 83 200X. 85 Takati Project. Video's coming soon. Little pit bike XR80. That clapped thing. You already know the Tri-Z. Now, before you get all excited, that is not mine. I wish it was. Just borrowing it from somebody. Of course, my dad's three-wheeler. Coming for a visit. Hanging out with the other legends. Random dirt scooter. Just a Kawasaki. Whatever. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me working on my bikes, because that's what I do a lot. I work on bikes a lot in here because I break them a lot, because somebody's got to ride them, all right? I'm not just going to let them sit. First of all, 250R here, it has to come all apart. I have to rebuild it again. I ride this thing all the time. I can't tell you how many hundreds of hours I've had riding this thing. But it's got to come all apart because your boy cracked the frame and it's bad. I got to take it all apart, but that's okay. I got extra frames over there in the corner just for this. We're going to rebuild it. We're going to make it better. And if you want to see it, let me know. I'll share it with you. I just plan on just doing it off camera, but if you guys want to see it, let me know. I know there's a lot of videos and three-wheelers out there. Another thing, the 200X. I broke it last weekend. I was riding it. It's been so reliable, but I had this thing just wicked for like 2 weekends straight, getting a lot of use, and head gaskets blown. And if you know anything about 200Xs, You got to take the motor out to replace the head gasket. So why don't we make it better while we got our part? If you want to see a video on that, we can do that. This Tri-Z here came with me to Takati Fest, and I blew it up. It doesn't run anymore, unfortunately, but we saw it coming. So I'm going to tear this thing all apart, and while I'm at it, I'm going to restore the whole thing. Well, fellas, that's my shop. Whether you like it or not, let me know. I mean, tell me what you think I should do in here. I've got all of this. It's basically a blank slate. I can do whatever I want in here. New lights, cover the walls. Tell me what you think. Paint it all pink, paint it all yellow, epoxy the floors, Let me know. I'd like to know what you think I should do in here. And also, let me know if you think I should make videos fixing all this stuff, because it's all broken, pretty much, except for that one and that one. 4 strokes, am I right? But lots of projects to be done. If you want to be included in it, let me know. I'll include you. It'll be fun. We'll rebuild it together. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to my shop. Austin ATV out.